In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Loop web app on your desktop. We're going to use your web browser's built-in install feature to add Loop as a desktop app, so there's nothing to download or run manually. This creates a clean standalone window for Loop and adds it to your Start menu or Applications folder, just like a regular app. First, open your preferred modern browser, such as Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Microsoft Loop and press Enter. Look for the official Microsoft result that mentions Microsoft 365 and Loop. This ensures you're heading to the authentic site rather than a lookalike. Click that official Microsoft Loop page to continue. On the Microsoft Loop page, find and select the button labeled Get Started with Loop. This takes you to the Loop experience. You'll then see another prompt to get started. Click that as well. These buttons simply move you from the product page into the actual web app where you can sign in and access your workspaces and pages. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. You can use your work, school, or personal Microsoft account. Just pick the one that's tied to your Loop content or your organization. If your organization requires additional verification, follow the on-screen prompts. After you're signed in, Loop will load your workspace in the browser. Once Loop is open, look toward the top of your browser window near the address bar. You should see an install icon that looks like a small computer or a window with a download arrow, usually next to the favorite star. Click that icon, then choose Install. The browser will create a desktop app for Loop instantly. If you're on Windows, it will appear in your Start menu and can be pinned to the taskbar. On Mac OS, it will show up in your applications and can be added to the dock. From now on, you can launch Loop directly without opening a browser tab first. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the install icon, make sure you're using a supported, up-to-date browser and that the Loop web app is fully loaded. The installed app updates itself automatically because it's powered by the web, and your sign-in will typically persist, saving time on future launches. If you're prompted to allow notifications, enabling them can help you stay on top of changes in shared Loop pages. That's it. Search for Microsoft Loop, open the official page, click Get Started, sign in, and use the install icon to add it to your desktop. Enjoy your new streamlined Loop experience.